Hello, sir. Welcome to America.
Wag 'n bietjie. Julle praat net Engels in Amerika.
What?
Do you have someone wie weet om Afrikaans te praat hier? 'n translator for us.
No, sir, we do not. Marilei weet om
Nee
Engels
man,
te praat.
Marilei se Engels is so kak. Sy kan niks verstaan
Sir,
nie.
can we please continue? We do not have time, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna try to speak some English.
Thank you so much, sir. Now that you've landed here in the United States of America, there's some ground rules I have
Het
to
julle
apply.
biltong?
What the hell is that?
Okay, I'm gonna make it very simple. Can you guys give us a piece of land? And then what we're going to do is we're going to name that land Oranje Part 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to build our own little country there where it's just us Afrikaners. Is that okay with you?
I cannot assign land at this point, sir. That is something that we're currently...
Ek hoor niks, Marikie. Hierdie mens praat net Engels. Jy het gesê, hier in Amerika gaan ons nuwe land in... Fuck, man! What about rugby?
What, sir?
Because I have a kid here. He was in a school, law school, and I wil rugby speel. Speel julle rugby in Amerika?
I do not
Rugby.
understand, sir. We play football.
Hulle het nie rugby nie, Maretjie. Ek het jou gesê ons moet in Suid-Afrika bly.